Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the library updates notifications on the Webnovel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon next to the Explore button at the lower right corner of the screen and go to the Settings section and click to the Notifications option. And here you can find the Library Update option and just tap to the next circle. Click to the All of Notifications and go to the application again and tap to the circle, and the library updates notification is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.